Everyone, stay tuned for the next episode. We're going to talk about how you can make your own luck. And speaking of that, why don't you make us feel just a little bit lucky?
Please.
Please. And subscribe to the channel. Maybe have a comment or two. And just tell us that, we're doing something that's having an effect on you. That would make us feel lucky. So stay tuned. All right, here we go again. It is the latest edition of Between Two Erics, where we take seemingly complex financial issues and
make them easy.
Yes, and in light of making things easy, it's St. Patty's Day.
Yes, it is.
St. Patty's week, and that makes me the St. Patrick of personal finance.
Ooh, good
and
one.
That would make you
the leprechaun of luck.
Oh, God. That was awful.
Well, first time ever, man. At least I gave you some.
You did give me something. So we're talking about St. Patty's Day. Everybody kind of associates that with luck.
Yes.
Right? So we're going to give you the four keys of how to make your own luck.
All right, let's hear it.
You ready? Okay. So we're talking about this because I think a lot of people are feeling a bit unlucky right now.
Yes.
So, you know what? Let's figure out some ways that you can make your own luck. Number one, your activity level. So look, I've never met anyone that was successful over a period of time that did not have a high activity level, which means that you're not just sitting around eating Cheetos, although that sounds pretty good right now, and not being productive. Nor do you have staff that's sitting around doing nothing and being productive.
Agree.
So if you want to have luck in your business, if you want to invite nice things that are happening to you, good things happen to people that are extremely active.
Work hard.
Yep. Right? Okay. Secondly, is that if you want to be lucky, be more ethical.
Yes.
I'm going to rub some people the wrong way on this one. I can already see it right now. Eric, you goody two-shoes you, right? Like, no, look, I mean, everybody is going to, have moments, lapses in judgment. Is that a good way to put it?
I think that's fair.
That's a good way to put it. And you just have to answer this question for yourself. Are you doing things that you feel like you are proud of?
I like that.
Right?
I like that.
That's it. Like, are you proud of yourself or aren't you proud of yourself?
Yeah.
Right? That's it. And if you kind of find that you're doing more things that you're not necessarily proud of, then just correct yourself a little bit.
Yep.
Right? Just get back on the road, right? You veered off a little bit.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Get back.
It happens to everybody. Just get back on the road, all right? But I will tell you this. If you are doing things that are destructive, you ain't going to have any luck.
No.
Right?
It will catch up.
You're going to have bad luck if that happens. So just give yourself, get back on the straight and narrow just a little bit. Okay. So what's number 3?
Invest wisely.
Ooh, why?
What does that mean?
Yeah, what does that mean?
It means don't chase returns with all of your money. You got to be smart. You got to spread it out. You got real estate. You've got insurance, annuities, stock market, gold, Bitcoin. I can keep going.
Bitcoin? Whoa.
Well, that might be a gamble no matter what. But regardless, you have to invest wisely. There's a time and a place for certain buckets of money.
So would you say right now most people are focusing more on speculating than they are?
Oh, 100%. I've gotten more calls about Bitcoin in the last week than I have in the last year.
Yeah. So to kind of clear it up for you, speculating is when you really don't care about the underlying investment. You just want to buy something at X price and hope it goes up.
Yep.
That's it. That's speculating. You don't know much about the cash flow, the fundamentals, the story behind the investment. You bought it here. You want to see it go up.
Yep.
That's all you care about.
That's it.
That's speculating. And I ain't got anything wrong with that.
No.
Except you should not do it with a majority of your assets.
Nope.
Instead, why don't you invest wisely in those things that, that have a sensible story behind them, that can create income for you, that have worked before, and that, that you have some affinity for or you're not just doing it. There's a story behind it. You're not just doing it just because all you care about is the money.
Yep.
I don't know. That's just me. What's the last one?
Attitude. I'll let you talk.
Okay.
You gotta have a positive attitude. I've never seen anybody who is negative Nancy who has good luck.
This is not a therapy session here, Eric.
No.
All right, we're not. I'm just kidding. Right? It is a therapy session, but your attitude definitely has something to do with your luck.
Oh yeah.
I've never seen. Have you ever seen anybody that had good luck that's always complaining, that is always in fear or anxiety?
Nope.
You know what happens? They just suck in
Yeah.
bad things that happen to them.
They
They're-
focus on them, and
Yeah.
more happens, and they focus on it,
And
and
more
more bad
happens.
happens, and rinse and repeat.
Yep. So you do have, this is like a drill. You got to keep your mindset in a place where you're not inviting bad things to happen to you
Yep.
all the time. Okay. Look, your attitude's important because at the end of the day, and all of these things as we talk about them, we really talk about them in light of your personal economy. Like, you need to be in charge of your personal economy. There's so much going on out there that, I mean, all of your attention is going to get wrapped up on what's going on in the outside economy. Don't worry
Yep.
about that. Focus on your personal economy. So keep your activity level high. Stay very, very ethical, right? Doesn't mean you have to be goody two shoes,
Yeah.
right? Just means that you got to be
Yeah.
somewhat ethical.
Gotta be smart.
You got to be smart. Invest wisely in those things that, as we talked about before, and just have a good attitude.
Yeah.
That's not hard.
Stay positive.
Those are the 4 things
That's
on how you create your own luck.
Yep.
That was good. All right.
All right.
That's the fist bump. All right. We'll see you next time. Bye.